We're shooting this quick video, how to keep your eyes open and your ears open when listening with the Leaktronics equipment. Here we're gonna listen around the pool. We're gonna show you how we listen. We heard our leak with our pool scope and how we backed ourselves up with dye. Check it out.
So here's the pool at a glance. We have a pool spa combo. We're gonna visually inspect the equipment. We notice we have a crack in the back of the skimmer over there. We have a water feature here. So again, we're gonna start with the basics and start listening. Side suctions, we're listening in front of everything that we have in front of us. In front of lights, in front of returns. Again, you wanna listen around all penetrations. It's very important because these are where most leaks are found. Skimmer throats, equalizer lines, back of the skimmer, front port, back port. Next thing we're gonna listen over here is on the spa jets, spa suction, and spa light. And what we're hearing right now is that leak. Check it out and listen to it. What we heard was around this penetration right here. We back ourselves up with dye and check out the pull. And that's how we get this leak done.
For more information and to see all of our YouTube videos, go on our YouTube channel and always check out Leaktronics.com.